In our first video, we talked about the anatomy of a grape. Do you remember what the two key components of the grape are needed to produce wine? Skin and pulp. But how do grapes grow? Believe it or not, this is a really important question, as the growth and health of the grape can often influence the resulting wines. Grapes grow on vines, and grapevines are an annual crop, meaning they produce fruit every year. During the year, the vine experiences very specific stages of development. First, flowering. In the spring, you'll see grapevines speckled with little dots of white confetti. These are the plant's flowers. Next is fruit set. Grapevines are self-pollinating, so each of those individual flowers will become grape buds. When these form, they're tiny, hard, green little balls, and they have no water, no sugar, or acid. That is to say, they don't have any desirable or pleasant flavors yet, so don't eat them, they're bitter and gross. Next is ripening, and this is the most interesting stage. A lot of things happen to the grapes as it ripens. Grapes will swell with water, become larger, softer. Sugar levels inside the grapes will increase. And do you remember why sugar is so important for wine production? Yeast eat the sugar in order to create the alcohol. And as those sugar levels rise, acidity will decrease. The color also changes. Those little green balls will either turn a light golden color for white wine grapes or purple for red wine grapes. And do you remember what skins provide, particularly for the red wines? Color and tannin. And as all of this is happening, the grape's also increasing in aromas and flavors, all those elements that make wine fun to smell and taste.